so I made this base mesh. The base mesh consists of all the bones and muscles we'll need. I'll put the link in the description. Let's adjust our reference image settings. We'll put the image in front and lower the opacity. We'll make them roughly the same size. We'll start with the chest. I press Alt+D to duplicate the chest and move it to the X-axis. Then I go into edit mode and scale the mesh with S. Sometimes I use the shrink fatten function, which is Alt+S. Let's repeat the process for other muscles. The size and volume of the muscles should match the reference image. We can mirror them using the chest as a mirror object. We can do upper arm and lower arm muscles in groups. I'm mainly using proportional editing here, which is O. I can tell from the reference image that he has large back muscles. Once we're done, we'll choose All and hit Ctrl plus a visual geometry to mesh. This applies all of the modifiers. Let's fill the empty areas with spheres. I also added a cylinder for the bony parts. We'll join all meshes with Ctrl plus J and enter the sculpt mode. We will hit Remesh, Ctrl plus R. You can sculpt and make changes if you want. If you have this problem, go into wireframe mode and choose the area. Then hit Alt plus F to fill. We can also use the Edit Facesets Fair Tangency option. You can symmetrize the object at any point. You can do retopology manually if you want. I use QuadRemesher for retopology. I notice the proportions aren't right, so I make further adjustments to make the mesh look correct. We'll be working in edit mode this time and focus on getting the proportions right. For hand and foot, you can make them separately and connect them later to the body. You can also download a set of hands from Sketchfab. To smooth the connecting area, I use Edit Facesets with Fair Tangency.